The surooriyoon, as you'll know inshallah ta'ala, are an offshoot of Ikhwan al-Muslimin. They're Ikhwanis, but the difference between the surooriyoon and the other groups of the Ikhwanis, such as the Qutbiyya and the Banna'iyya, is that the surooriyoon, they tafattanu li'amr. When Muhammad ibn Surur, Zayn al-Abidin, who was a school teacher, a maths teacher, لا علاقة له بالعلوم الشرعية, when he came to Al-Ahsa in Saudi Arabia, he noticed that basically that the Ikhwan al-Muslimin who came from Egypt and other parts of the Muslim world, they used to wear suits and ties, and basically this is how they used to give da'wah. When he came to Saudi Arabia, he noticed that the shabab, the people, respected anyone who looked like the scholars that were present in Saudi Arabia, the thob, the shibang, all of that. And he noticed that people placed great importance in ilm and knowledge. So Muhammad ibn Surur decided that he was also going to do the same thing. Al-ghayatu tubarrir al-wasila indahu. يعني the ends justify ماذا? The means. طيب? He decided that he was going to teach Kitab al-Tawheed. He's going to teach يعني what the scholars taught. So أظهر اهتمامه بالعلم. He created a new type of إخوانية which places importance in two things. Number one, إظهار الاهتمام بالعلم. He pretended to care about knowledge. And number two, إظهار الاهتمام بالسنة والتوحيد. He pretended to care about the sunnah and tawheed. يعني the reason why he cared about these things is because he wanted the shabab to respect him. He wanted to establish credibility. This is something that the Sururis do even today. طيب? The ulama rahimahumullah ta'ala, the scholars of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah, when they investigated the hal of the Sururiyya, they found that in their perceived care and consideration for Tawheed and Sunnah, there were two things. Number one, that this ihtimam was, this perceived care that they had for the Sunnah, was in order to attract the youth. Khalas, nothing else. To attract the youth. In fact, he would say things like Nahru ibn Taymiyyah yusabbu fi bahri Sayyid Qutb. That the river of Ibn Taymiyyah flows into the ocean of Sayyid Qutb. Things like that. So people started thinking that Sayyid Qutb is like Shaykh al-Islam Taymiyyah, subhanAllah, comparing a newspaper columnist to ماذا? To Shaykh al-Islam Taymiyyah rahimahullah ta'ala. Sayyid Qutb was a rajulun utiya al-balagha. He was someone who's fasih, someone who's eloquent in speech. But he was no alim. He was not someone who's connected to al-ulum al-shar'iyyah. He would say things like, I believe that Kitab al-Tawheed was the key, and to get in the shabab, teach them, open Kitab al-Tawheed, teach them. And then after that, they would talk about some revolutionary ideas.